Do you want to learn interesting topics outside of what your school offers? Topics like coding, microcontrollers, and circuit building? What if I told you you can also build cool projects and have fun learning these topics at the same time? PlayZenik offers all of this. On top of our lessons, PlayZenik offers you a monthly project kit for you to build and play with. So you can take what you have learned on PlayZenik and apply it to real-world projects. Here's just a preview of what you can expect from our monthly kits: motor circuits, build your own piano, telescopes, and many more. If you're ever stuck on these projects, PlayZenik offers you guidance with helpful videos and a community chat room to ask questions and communicate with others. Outside of our lessons, you can also explore our other features like games and quizzes to test your knowledge. These features are a great opportunity to put yourself high on our PlayZenik leaderboard. The person with the highest score at the end of every month wins a prize. So what are you waiting for? Join now at playzenik.com and start learning, building, and playing.